Class 10, Chapter 3, Pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.6, Question number 2. Formulate the following problems as a part of equations and hence find their solutions. हमें given problems को equations में convert करने हैं and उनके solutions find करने हैं. So let us see what are the problems. Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. The second question is, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. The third question is, Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. पहले हम first question देख लेते हैं, which is Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometers in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometers in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. तो पहले हम ये मान लेंगे कि speed of rowing in still water is x kilometers per hour and the speed of the current is y kilometers per hour. जब ऋतु डाउनस्ट्रीम ट्रैवल कर रही है, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि she is traveling along with the current, which means उसका relative speed होगा दोनों speeds का sum. Whereas जब ऋतु अपस्ट्रीम ट्रैवल कर रही है, उसका relative speed दोनों speeds का difference होगा. This is because she is traveling against the current. So the speed of rowing downstream will be x plus y kilometers per hour and the speed of rowing upstream is x minus y kilometers per hour. अब हम speed distance time का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन है कि ऋतु ट्रैवल्स 20 किलोमीटर्स इन 2 आवर्स while she travels downstream. तो जब वो डाउनस्ट्रीम ट्रैवल करती है, she travels 20 kilometers and her speed is x plus y and she takes 2 hours. तो हमने ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई किया है, distance by speed is equal to time. सेम कंडीशन हमने अपस्ट्रीम के लिए भी अप्लाई किया है. She travels upstream 4 kilometers at a speed of x minus y in 2 hours. So हमें ये दो इक्वेशन मिल गए. इन्हें अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करें तो हमें मिलेगा 2x plus 2y equal to 20 and 2x minus 2y equal to 4. इन दोनों को हम फर्दर इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं, x plus y equal to 10 which will be the first equation and x minus y equal to 2 which will be the second equation. इन दोनों इक्वेशन से हम ये देख सकते हैं कि y carries opposite signs, which means अगर हम 1 and 2 को ऐड कर दें तो y के टर्म्स एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे and we will be left with 2x equal to 12 and हमें x की वैल्यू 6 मिल जाएगी. अब x के इस वैल्यू को अगर हम इक्वेशन 1 में पुट कर दें which is x plus y equal to 10, तो हमें 6 plus y equal to 10 मिल जाएगा which gives the value of y as 4. इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि the speed of rowing in still water will be 6 kilometers per hour and the speed of the current is 4 kilometers per hour. Now let us have a look at the next question, which is 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So let the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work is x days and the time taken by one man alone to finish the work is y days. Now, one woman's one day work would be 1 by x and one man's one day work would be 1 by y. Now, 2 women's one day work would be 2 times of 1 by x, which is 2 by x, and 5 men's one day work would be 5 into 1 by y, which is equal to 5 divided by y. Now, this means that 2 women's and 5 men's one day work would be 2 by x plus 5 by y. Since it is given that 2 women and 5 men complete the work in 4 days, the work they would complete in 1 day would be 1 by 4th part of the work. So we can equate 2 by x plus 5 by y with 1 by 4, which gives us the equation 2 by x plus 5 by y equal to 1 by 4. And it is also given in the question that 3 women and 6 men complete the work in 3 days, which means 3 women and 6 men's 1 day work would be equal to 1 by 3. Now we have these two equations 3 and 4, but they have the x and y terms in the denominator. So first we will convert them into linear equations. We will assume that 1 by x is equal to p and 1 by y is equal to q. 1 by x को अगर हमने p लिख लिया and 1 by y को अगर हमने q ले लिया तो इक्वेशन 3 and 4 से हमें ये मिलेगा 2p plus 5q equal to 1 by 4 and 3p plus 6q equal to 1 by 3. अब इन्हें अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई करें तो हमें मिल जाएगा 8p plus 20q equal to 1, which will be equation number 5, and 9p plus 18q equal to 1, which will be our sixth equation. We will try to solve this pair of equations with the elimination method. So we will multiply equation number 5 with 9 and we will multiply equation 6 by 8. 72p plus 180q equal to 9 and 72p plus 144q equal to 8. Since 72p is a common term in both the equations, हम 72p को eliminate कर सकते हैं by subtracting the equations. तो हम subtract कर देंगे equation number 8 को equation number 7 से and हमें मिल जाएगा 36q equal to 1, which gives the value of q as 1 by 36. अब q के इस वैल्यू को अगर हम equation 6 में पुट कर दें, which is 9p plus 18q equal to 1, तो हमें मिल जाएगा 9p plus 18 times 1 by 36 equal to 1. इसे सिंप्लीफाई करके हमें मिलेगा 9p equal to 1 by 2 and हमें p की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 1 by 18. अब p and q के इन वैल्यूज को अगर हम 1 by x equal to p and 1 by y equal to q में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें तो हमें x की वैल्यू 18 मिल जाएगी and y की वैल्यू 36 मिल जाएगी. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि one woman completes the work in 18 days and one man completes the work in 36 days. Now we will move on to the next question, which says Ruhi travels 300 kilometers to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 kilometers by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. इस क्वेश्चन में हम ये मान लेंगे कि स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन इज x किलोमीटर्स पर आवर एंड द स्पीड ऑफ द बस इज y किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन है कि इफ शी ट्रैवल्स 60 किलोमीटर्स बाय ट्रेन एंड द रिमेनिंग बाय बस, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि 60 किलोमीटर्स अगर वो ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करती है सो शी विल ट्रैवल 240 किलोमीटर्स बाय बस. इसमें हम स्पीड डिस्टेंस टाइम का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. डिस्टेंस बाय स्पीड इज इक्वल टू टाइम. 60 divided by x, which will be the time taken for her to travel by train, and 240 divided by y, which is the time taken by her to travel by bus. टोटल उसे 4 hours लगते हैं. सो हम 60 by x plus 240 by y को इक्वल टू 4 कर देंगे. नेक्स्ट कंडीशन ये दिया हुआ है कि इफ शी ट्रैवल्स 100 किलोमीटर्स बाय ट्रेन एंड द रिमेनिंग बाय बस, विच मीन्स अगर वो 100 किलोमीटर्स ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करती है सो शी विल ट्रैवल 300 minus 100, विच इज 200 किलोमीटर्स बाय बस. शी विल टेक 10 minutes लॉन्गर, मतलब 4 hours से 10 मिनट ज्यादा लगेंगे. तो हम इक्वेशन इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं 100 divided by x, which is the time taken by her to travel by train, plus 200 by y, which is the time taken by her to travel by bus. This time is equal to 4 plus 10 by 60. यहाँ हमने 10 by 60 इसलिए किया है क्योंकि हमने 10 मिनट्स को आवर्स में कन्वर्ट किया है. सो हमें दो इक्वेशन मिल गए. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशन से हम ये देख सकते हैं कि x और y दोनों डिनोमिनेटर्स में हैं। तो हम पहले इनके लीनियर इक्वेशंस फॉर्म करेंगे। लीनियर इक्वेशंस फॉर्म करने के लिए हम 1/x को p मान लेंगे एंड 1/y को q मान लेंगे। अब p एंड q को इन दो इक्वेशन में डाल के हमें मिलेगा 60p plus 240q equal to 4, which will be the first equation, and 100p plus 200q equal to 25/6, which will be the second equation. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशंस को हम साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करेंगे। We will try to solve it by the elimination method. हम इक्वेशन 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे by 5 एंड इक्वेशन 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे by 3। ऐसे करके हमें 300p plus 1200q equal to 20 मिलेगा, which will be the third equation, and 300p plus 600q equal to 25/2 मिल जाएगा, which will be the fourth equation. हम ये देख सकते हैं कि दोनों इक्वेशन में 300p is a common term, तो 300p will get eliminated and we will get 600q equal to 20 minus 25/2, which is equal to 7.5, and we will get the value of q as 7.5 divided by 600. अब q के इस वैल्यू को अगर हम इक्वेशन 2 में पुट कर दें तो हमें मिल जाएगा 100p plus 200 into 7.5 divided by 600, which is equal to 25/6. On simplifying this, we will get 100p plus 2.5 equal to 25/6. Further, इसे हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 100p equal to 25/6 minus 2.5, which gives 100p equal to 25/6 minus 5/2. अब अगर हम 6 को डिनोमिनेटर का एलसीएम ले लें तो हमें मिलेगा 100p equals 25 minus 15 divided by 6, which gives 100p equal to 10/6, which means the value of p is 10/600. तो हमें p and q की वैल्यूज मिल गई एंड हमने ये अज्यूम किया था कि 1/x is equal to p and 1/y is equal to q. तो अब अगर हम p और q की वैल्यूज डाल दें तो हमें x की वैल्यू 600/10 मिल जाएगी, which is 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर, एंड y की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 600/7.5, which is equal to 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर. इससे हमें ये मिल गया कि स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन इज 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड द स्पीड ऑफ द बस is 80 kilometers per hour.